Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk to you guys about these amazing denim shorts. So these are WallFlower Bermuda pull-on denim shorts. I'm not kidding. These have a great elastic that goes all the way around. They are made of cotton, polyester, and spandex. So they are very stretchy. I like the bottom where it has like a nice little fold to it. They fit amazing. They do come in different colors, different sizes, so that you get the perfect fit. It stretches nice all around. You don't feel really gross in them because they do stretch to your body. And I like the fact too that they do stretch out nice as you wear them, so that they do feel like the perfect fit. I know jean shopping can always be really hard, but these are my absolute favorite go-to shorts in the summer. You can do all kinds of things with them. You can dress them up. You can just wear them around in the yard when you're doing stuff. I run around in the back playing with my dog, playing fetch. That's how comfortable these are. They are machine washable. The color does not fade. I have had these for at least 3 summers now, and they look like I just bought them. That's how amazing they are. But that's just my point of view.